Remember this.
It is terrible. Almost at the top of my boots, but look at it coming down here.
Yes, they've been to repair the ditch. I know it doesn't mean much to anybody, but they actually came and did a day and a half's work on this thing here. And they came out and dug it all out right down to the very bottom, which is great. And they put some more rocks down here. So that's a sort of a job done. And you can see now that the little bit of water coming out there is absolutely normal. But let's go and have a look at the other end. It's kind of exciting. So this is a bit different, isn't it? Look at this. They've put loads of rock here so it doesn't erode anymore. They've dug all this ditch out and opened it right up, and they've gone right up to the end of the road. Right up to the very top. Now the thing about this is that this wouldn't have got done if it wasn't for my friend Jerry, who retired from the city or the council as a worker for them, and he knew somebody to talk to. And it just goes to prove a point. You need to talk to the barrel organist, not the monkey, because these guys on the phone, they don't know, they just don't care. So the guy came down within a couple of hours. He then reported it to his superior. Next day they were here to do some work. And lo, look what they've been doing here. Look what happened to my culvert. What a nice job. They blocked it up with all stones. So that was a complete waste of time putting that in, but it was more expensive to dig it out and do it, you know, than hold the road up. So they just filled it up. Brilliant. They also made a runoff here so that water, in case of a flood, can come up down this little drain here with the rocks holding it in place so it doesn't wash away. They replaced the culvert there, that green one was in there before, and they've done all that. And they've done a split waterway, or a release of water, so if it comes down that hill it can go that way or down that way. And where did they get right up to the very top? I think they did. Look at that. Well, I'm pleased my council tax has gone to good use. Yeah, they've dug it all out. Look at that. Brilliant. So I am one happy chappy. Yes, so that means now that my confidence has gone up. This place isn't going to get flooded anymore. Next year I'll get some 0 3/4 gravel and redo this yard again, because it's all been washed out. It's all mud and what have you, weeds. So we'll re-gravel it, make it look nice. It was all like this once before. I can't believe it, can you? Oh yeah, while I'm on at it, this is back. You remember this one? We came in for a there was a lift pump problem, and then the injector pump was leaking, did that, and then he had it shipped back down to me saying it was squeaking. Well, I had it on idle for 3 hours and I never heard it squeak at all, but I did find something, and we'll do that in another video. So we'll see you later, and hopefully this car will be gone. I hope so. I'm getting really tired of this now. I haven't been paid. I've never heard anything really from the customer. Still waiting for a battery. What's it now? 5 weeks, 6 weeks? You know, crazy. I don't know. But I've got to get rid of some of these cars because winter's coming on, and I need to get this place cleared off for the snowplow. Alright, that was just an update. See you later.